what's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So today, just a little small feature, whatever, to give y'all something to watch. Y'all see it's ugly. It been going down out here. I'm talking about rain 2 days straight. Heavy rain, cause y'all know we got that hurricane in the area and stuff, so we're getting a lot of the rain and stuff from it. So that's what's going on. Y'all see the Monte Carlo is still sitting up right there. I'm not taking out them jack stand till it's done. And I ain't pulled the engine out of Dolo yet, cause I'm like, why pull it out and it's just gonna be sitting over here in the way. Y'all gonna see where I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna show you that when I take it there, but why just take it out and have it sitting in the way? I'm waiting on parts to come. It's about another $4,000 going in this engine. I'm gonna keep y'all up to date on the cost like I always do. About another $4,000 going in the engine. As you can see, I'm gonna say in a engine. We're gonna say that it's another $4 going in a engine. But everything about to be totally different, basically. I'm not showing the engine or none of that. The specs, then it's gonna turn into undisclosed cubic inches. Like I always say, it's gonna turn to undisclosed cubic inches, but it's gonna be like I really build stuff. Cause like I said, people found my channel and follow my channel cause I started doing budget stuff. I don't do budget bills. I mean, I show the real too, cause that's the reality of what can happen when you're doing budget bills. So hey, keep it real. It can go good, it can go bad. In my case, mine went bad, both of them. So and a lot of the time before, you know, it's good to just go back and look at a timeline of video before you just come on saying stuff too, cause a lot of it be answered already. But anyway, I'm about to go link up with my bro Jarvis. He about to head to Lawless. I sent him over there to Lawless for some work. So he about to head over there. I'm about to link up with him for the first time. We always talk through Instagram. So I told y'all I start linking up with some of y'all, man. Y'all hit me up. And we, you know, you in the way. Want to ride on camera or something, man? Let's do it. I love to show subscribe a little. Alright, y'all. So we checking in. Nice Regal right here. I told y'all. Jarvis. This thing unloaded over here at Lawless. Get a little stuff done. Got the wheels off of it right now, but got torque thrust style wheels on it. Real clean. Real street car. Just don't want to drive today, cause I see you got these radials on it. So I ain't want to drive it. Gonna get this thing fired up in a little bit, let y'all hear it. This brake got the wildwood front and rear. 3-inch exhaust, ain't it, Joy? Yeah, 3-inch exhaust. All the way out the back. Sliding and drill rotors, whole nine. So. Alright, y'all. So they about to crank this thing up and let y'all hear it. Solid car too, clean. Real clean. Sound good. Sound real good too. He could have drove it. He didn't want to drive it on the radio though. It's a real street car. Just straight back. Good. Real good. But I just wanted y'all to see the sequential tail light stuff and all that. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. They come from Summit Races, get set up like that. It sound good. Real mellow. What muffler's on here? We don't know. Boiler. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to say they ain't flow master. I can tell the way they sound. Console, all of that, man. Yeah. That's it. so this is set up. Small block. AC, everything still on it. All motor. Yep. Sound good. Y'all see it running good. Whole 9. So LED, high, low. And yeah, man, we gonna sit back. Alright, y'all. Said he wanted to go out there. I get on the real limiter quick. He on the radials though, y'all. He on the radials. Get on the real limiter quick. Can't say what size it is though, undisclosed cubic inches. So y'all, you know, it is what it is. But it's a nice car. Sound good too. No radios on it. Then brought people out the shop. And brought people out the shop. He said he can't keep the guy working. Look, everybody came out the shop, y'all. Yeah, that car sound good, man. I like them boilers, y'all. I might have to try them out. He going ham up there. Yeah, that car ain't missing. It ain't missing a beat. It ain't missing a beat. When he told me who did it though, I'm like, yeah, I know it right. I know it right. Yep. Nice. He going ham. Hey. He going ham. Oh boy. Yes indeed, that thing sounds good. Yeah, boy, nice. Alright, y'all, so we checking back in. Made it back to the house about 30 minutes ago. Fired up the grill for wifey. Y'all know she be on her healthy tip all the time. Want some grilled chicken breast, so I hooked that up. But yep, man, we back. Good day, man. We just kicked it up there at Lawless. We was up there about 2 hours just talking, man. Jarvis, me and Jarvis, man, cool dude. Solid, man. Me and him definitely think alike up here. It's good to meet good people. That's why I said I don't mind me. The people that support and watch, man. He been watching since 2010. Like, it's just crazy to know how long people been supporting and watching. Whether it been my racing channel, which a lot of people started out watching my racing channel first, cause that's all I was doing then. I started this channel, which is my vlog channel, but I started it as a ride reaction channel. Just all I was gonna do was ride reactions, and that's what I started out doing. Then, you know, I started putting a few racing videos up, which people know why I was doing that. And then I was like, man, why not do my vlog channel and start showing my bills car? I used to put stuff about my own personal cars on my main channel. Then I stopped doing it. I'm like, man, let me just do it over here, man. I can, you know, hey, it's just all about me and my cars and what I do, and, you know, showing the people I deal with and the people I roll with and hang with and stuff. And just showing people love over here. So that's why I did that. Did what I did or whatever. So I said, man, he showed out. That car real nice. It real nice, y'all. I mean, it's a nice car, no lie. It's a very, very nice car. Drivetrain and all, it's well done. And it's definitely not no pushover. It's not nothing to take lightly. But yeah, man, we're gonna link up on some more stuff, man. Y'all gonna see more of Jarvis, man. He's solid. I don't mind linking up with nobody that's supporting White, man. Long as they solid, like I said in another video, I don't hang around negative people, man. I don't hang around people that's about BS and all that, and that ain't me. If you gonna keep drumming in the air, hey, that ain't me. I don't hang around people that can't contain themselves and all that. Nah, I can't do it. Not anywhere that it might can even slightly lead to trouble. And that's what me and him were talking about today, man. We talked about some real stuff, like we had real conversation. And you know, you can't have them conversation with everybody because they mind ain't ready for it and stuff. But yep, shout out to Jesse over at Lawless. He finna get him straight. I'll be going. Oh, the Camaro. The Camaro's supposed to be getting adjusted tomorrow. It was raining all day today, so it's supposed to get over there tomorrow. And look like we gonna we might see that thing before the end of October, man. So oh yeah, I might be back with it, boy. I'm going clean up through there. Boy, I'm going clean up through there in Camaro, man. So, and we're gonna turn this up right here, cause wifey, man, I'm gonna make wifey put on a show. I gotta do that back there, all that. We can't do no one tire. So I gotta put her rear end back here. We're gonna run with a 323 gear. She wanna put wheels on it, so we're gonna put some wheels on it. Wheels going on, coming from One Stock Wheels and Tires. My boy CJ, coming to see him. And by now, man, people know, hey, what I say, so I'm a man of my word. I deal with who I deal with. If I trust you, I deal with you. Even when it comes to work on my house, man, I don't deal with nobody I don't trust. Ain't nobody. If I deal with you, I trust. Straight up. So yeah, that's the plan. So look at this lady coming out here. What you got going on? Look.
Grilling?
Yeah, she ain't grilling. She ain't grilling. What we gonna do in the money color on get that motor in there? What you gonna do? Drive it. You gonna do a burnout?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I will.
All right, she says she's gonna do a burnout. Y'all see it. So yep, that's it, man. I just want to give y'all something. I had to show Jarvis some love, man. Like, hey, that's a good dude, man. That's a good dude. Had to show him some love. Y'all go follow him on Instagram, man. Instagram on the screen. Y'all gonna see more of him, more of the car. And yeah, that's it. That's it, y'all. I'm finna get in here and go to work, get the editing. If the weather clear up tomorrow, I'm pulling this out. If I catch a break, this bad boy coming up out of here. It's ready to go. All I gotta do is hook the engine hoist up to it. Take the the transmission mount loose, and the starter wires, and that bad boy coming out of there. So yep, that's it for today. I really appreciate everybody that come through and watch every day. And gonna have some parts, a big load coming in for Dolo. I'm gonna show the boxes. But I can't show what's in the boxes. I'm gonna show the boxes, like, you know, but I'm not gonna show like the pistons and all that stuff and everything else. I'm saying, just know it's about to be totally different. But I'm about to have a big load, man. I'm about to have a big load. It's going down tomorrow. So yeah, that means y'all might, I don't know whenever it come in, y'all see it basically. Y'all see it. So yep, I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. I appreciate everybody that stay positive in the comments, all of that. I appreciate everybody keep it real in the comments. And I also appreciate the ones that have negative stuff to say in the comments too. I appreciate y'all too, or whatever. And you know, you got some people that just want to battle you. They want to go against you anyway. You can't stop a good guy, though. I'm telling you that now. You can't. It's been proven many times. Many times. Not just me, other people all around the world. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving and shaking and keep giving these people a show to watch. We're gonna keep elevating. Right now, people probably are glad, like, oh yeah, Jay, this ain't working for you, this and that. Y'all watch how I end this year. I promise. The ones that I talk to on the phone and stuff, y'all know what's going on. Watch how I end this year. We going up, man. Brown coat gang, we going up. If you with me, you with me. I got something big shaking. We ending the year with a bang. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. And I'm gonna catch y'all back here tomorrow.